Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is alishanmao. In this video we are going to take a look at HiSky HMX280 quadcopter. It came to me in a box like this with no printing at all, so it seems that they have just started shipping it without the color box packing. First thing that I see inside the box is a user manual, and it's completely in Chinese. Yes, I have checked it before, so you just want to chuck it away because it has no use at all. After that, let me just give you a quick overview of what's inside the box, and then we will go straight to the flight. So we have a quadcopter, landing gears, battery charger, cable for your battery charger. We have a radio control. Now the only thing missing is the battery, and on the back side I found a little battery sticking, and that is 11.1 volt 25C little battery. Alright, now before I prepare it and give it a flight and test its flight, let me tell you, the company says this quadcopter can do 100 kilometers an hour. Really? We'll put it to test and see if this really can do 100 kilometers an hour or not, because to do that kind of speeds you need a good flight controller like CC3D or NAZ32 that actually obeys your command and does not do anything until you move a stick. Toy grade quadcopters like these coming out of factories, I don't think those flight controllers can handle speeds like 100 kilometers an hour. We will see it. Let's go fly it. Okay, so HMX280 in my hands. Let's give it the first flight and see how it's behaving. So lack of instructions or manual being in Chinese, it took me some time to figure out how to unlock motors. Right now it seems it has two modes. One is kind of a stabilized mode in which we are flying now, and one is kind of manual mode, which makes it go really crazy angle. I mean, no limits on angle. So yeah, it's fast, but no, it's not the feeling of CC3D that we have for the faster quads. We don't have that feeling. It tries to balance itself back very quick. So if I put it to that kind of manual mode, let's see if it will try to stabilize itself or not. Ready? So now we are in this manual kind of mode, very docile. And you see how abruptly it just tries to level itself back. Normally in manual mode it should keep going that way. So in this manual mode of its own, HMX280 tries to pull some angle, but then you can see how it shoots up trying to balance itself. Let's see if we can do some more flight in attitude mode. I see the battery low voltage blinking, so battery flight time is really annoying. Well, I don't think it's 100 kilometers an hour. It doesn't even look like 80 kilometers an hour to me even. Alright, I want to do something which will make it crash, but it's worth a try. Here we go. No zoom, okay? So you can capture the whole action. What I will try to do is a roll or flip. A flip maybe. Yeah, I did the flip. Let's try a roll, shall we? Ah, that was almost the ground hit. It did not do it that fast as I expected. Oh, now that was a bad bang down. Let's see what survived. Well, that was one of the biggest bang I ever had with the quadcopter running down this way and hitting the ground. Lucky us, we were on the grass, so body survived, but all the propellers are gone. I have to install new propellers. Okay, so conclusion is here. Good quad. Maybe it is weatherproof. We're gonna do another flight in raining later when we have the raining. So being it's weatherproof, okay, fine, we can fly it in raining even. But 100 km an hour? I don't think so. And the flight controller is totally annoying in this one and totally not suitable for the FPV racing. So it's a good try, HiSky, but it's a no-no for FPV racing, because for FPV racing you don't want your flight controller to try to control your quad. You want your flight controller to just keep following what angle you set it to. Even in stabilized mode, it should just follow your commands, not try to stabilize it back again. So for FPV racing, it's a no-no. For weatherproof, maybe. For 100 km, no-no. For having fun and doing some mild speed FPV racing, installing your own FPV system on it, yes, you can do it. So far, a fun quad, but totally not good for FPV racing. Enjoy, and let's wait for the raining and see how it will behave in rain.